Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to create the zip file and extract files from it. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever you want to send some files to somebody, and if you have so many files and if you want to compress all the files into one single file, and if you want to send it to somebody or someone has sent you one zip file and you are really confused like how to extract all those files means in this particular video I'm going to tell you like some of the simple way like how you can create the zip file. Okay, so once you create the zip file, like all these files will be compressed into one folder and you can send it to somebody easily. And I will also show you like somebody has sent you or if you have the zip file and how you can extract all those files into the files whichever you required. Okay, so let's get started. Let's assume like I have these kind of files, and if I have more than 2 to 3 files, so here you can see around 5 files are there. Okay, and suppose if I want to compress all those files into single file means you can just select all the files and right click on it, and here you can see the option called show more option, and here you can see send it to compressed zip folder. Once you click on the compressed zip folder, so here you can see one file has been created, and here I will just give that name as a final file. Okay, and suppose if you just double click on it, so I will just select an app to open the zip file. I will just select this file explorer just once. So here you can see all the files are there. Okay, and suppose if somebody has sent you this zip file means, and if you are wondering like how you can extract the files from zip file means, you can just right click on it. So here you can see the option called extract all. So here it's asking like where do you want to extract all those files. Okay, so I will just select one more folder, extracted files. Okay, so now I want to extract all those files to some location. So here I will just go to the D drive, testing files, extracted files. So I want to extract all those compressed files here miss. So here you can just select this extracted, select folder, extract. So now you can go to the extracted file and here you can see all those files are extracted here. Okay, so this is how you can create the zip file and you can extract all the zip files to the specific location or specific folder. Okay, so that's all about this particular video guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you at all. Thank you. Bye bye.